bed, let's go. I am on my way to Hotel ZaZa for my birthday party weekend. I'm staying there and I'm eating at group therapy with my friends, which is in the hotel. But I'm really excited because I've never stayed at this hotel. It's super nice, so let's go. Okay, I just got to the hotel room and they upgraded me to a suite and it is so gorgeous. Let me show you. I have a full standing mirror here, very cute. All of my stuff. There's a whole living seating area with a bar. Another full mirror fit check. I'm wearing this bauble bar necklace that I'm obsessed with, a tank, pants, and a blazer. I mean, look at how gorgeous this is. And there's this bar, very cute. And then this is the room. It came with a balcony, which is amazing. This is the restroom. Hi. Nice large shower. I'm so obsessed. Another TV in here. And then this is the room. A little closet there. And then this is the balcony. You can see the pool downstairs. And look at that view. Insane, I'm so excited. So we have reservations tonight with my girlfriends at Guest House, which is just a few floors below. And then we're gonna like have a little girls' night and watch movies or play games and stuff. But I really wanted to show you guys the party favors, just a little something that I got the girls. Okay, so these, I just wanted to share, these are the invitations. It says Age to Perfection, join us for a birthday dinner celebrating Becca, and it has the details and like the theme is like wine color. Then I just got a regular deck of cards and got all of the red heart ones, and I put pictures of me and all of my best friends in them. So each of them will receive a few. I have like a whole stack right here. Very excited to give them to them. And I don't think I've shown y'all my cake. Look at how gorgeous it is. I got this at Walmart for only like 25 bucks, but it is this beautiful burgundy heart-shaped cake with 25 on it. I'm just so excited for today. My best friend Fallon just got here. And I'm gonna wash my face, do my hair and makeup. I'm typically not the kind of person that goes all out for their birthdays or anything like that. But recently it's occurred to me that life is short and you should celebrate all your wins, including your birthday. So I'm glad I put in the extra effort this year, no matter how crazy it has been the past few months, and planned a little something, and I'm really excited about it. Fallon?
This is nice.
Isn't it nice?
Look how cute. Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm vlogging. Hi.
Hi, I'm so wonderful.
Wait, give me a hug. Isn't it so nice?
I know.
Oh. Fallon's being a doll and making us drinks. She also brought her G7X so that we could take some really bomb pictures after this, after we get ready. So she got here early and we're gonna get ready together. I used to be a rum girl, but recently, in the past year, I've become a tequila girl, and that's like all I buy now.
Hey girl.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Your final days, being 28.
I'm gonna bleep out my age, actually. Ooh, it looks
That
so
would be
yummy.
funny. Is it good?
It's good.
Good? Yeah, okay.
I think I like it better with pineapple than orange juice, actually.
I freaking love it with pineapple usually.
Let it be known it is my birthday and I'm using my tried and true Neutrogena Healthy Skin Liquid Makeup Foundation. I swear by this and it's so affordable. It's very blendable, leaves my skin looking good, and it's like pretty full coverage. Well, I would say medium to full, but it's easily buildable. And actually at Fallon's wedding, I had the makeup artist use this on my face and she was like, what foundation is that? Because I love it. Do you want to use this opportunity, since it's my birthday, to tell them your favorite thing about me?
Oh God, you put me on the spot.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this at dinner and put everyone on the spot like I did last year.
I'm pretty sure I cried. My favorite thing, more recently, and like the last year, because you have changed a lot over the last year, is just how, well, I guess you've always been this way. You're just such a, I don't know how else to explain it than like, a motivator. Like you push people, you push me, you encourage me,
I'm a pusher.
Yeah, there's never any doubt of like, you know, you have friends that like low-key want to see you like your downfall and like don't really mean it or like aren't super supportive and like stuff like that. Like there's never been any doubt that you like truly want to see me succeed.
It's like almost better than you yourself succeeding. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
Seeing someone else, like you get a front row seat of like what they're trying to do and then they do it, you're like, this is the best shit ever.
And that's like a rare quality in people. Fake friends and shit.
Shout out therapy.
No, yeah, like she is like the perfect advocate for like what you become when you go to therapy.
Okay, this is what the makeup's looking like so far. Camera doesn't even do it justice. I did more dark under my eye than I usually do. And now I'm gonna do lips. Let me grab my lip stuff. Fallon and I went to Sephora the other day and I finally got the Makeup Forever Artist Color Extreme Pencil in, and this was the last one of it. Wherever Walnut, people talk about this one all the time, and I will say it's worth the hype. It is so, like it stays on longer than my NYX one that I loved. Look at that. Delightful. Okay, this is the final makeup look. I'm gonna finish up my hair and then get dressed.
Damn, don't even put me in there.
Here is my dress. Oh my God, on camera? That's crazy. It's a baby boo dress, sold out everywhere online, but I'm renting it off the app Pickle, and I'm so excited to put this on. This is the dress on, and she's so gorgeous. Oh my God, the makeup is makeuping. I love this lip liner already. I put a little bit of falsies on my eyes, and now we're going to take my pictures. I'm really excited. Guys, final looks. This is my dresses from Baby Boo.
Oh God, where's my friend?
Amazon. Cute. Katie's about to get here, and we're about to go take some fire pics and then go eat dinner. We just got some really good pictures on the balcony, and now we are going throughout the hotel to take more pics. Fallon has a G7X, and it's literally to die for.
Oh my God!
Okay, you open my gift. Oh yeah. I love.
I used all the wrapping.
Oh wait, Fallon, can I use your wrapping paper?
Is that the first one or the second? That's the first one you should have read.
Let me see which one
went out of order.
I'm reading the different.
So
I asked ChatGPT.
This one is like, I
don't know why I didn't
pick it up. But I should have, I was gonna do the secret. Okay, so yeah, so that's the set. There's matching pants that aren't in yet.
Oh my God.
But
Oh my God, I love this. Oh my God, this is gonna be perfect for like travel.
yes,
When we
that's
go to
why.
London.
Yes, yes.
Love it.
But the pants still get.
On how much I really like her nails. I'm a big fan of Olive and June. So yay, I almost bought these too.
So this is Fallon did way
Oh
better
my
than
God, Katie.
this is your last year's coat.
She's had it for a year, guys.
The pressure.
Oh my God.
Wait.
Yeah.
Wait, it's a 2025. It's me and Katie.
We're here for the pictures and the pictures.
Yeah, I'll do it. Okay, birthday shots. Cheers to Becca. Happy
Cheers to
birthday.
Becca.
Woo.
25.
Oh my God, that was not diluted.
Oh.
We're going out to dinner. Be right back. Fingers. Okay, we're back from dinner. I didn't really vlog it that much because I wanted to be in the moment, but this is my fit. Just got these pajamas from Walmart, surprisingly. They're so cute. I mean, look at this. And they're so comfy. And now we're just going to play games and eat cake and watch TV, probably watch a movie. But yeah, I'm having the best time. We're back at the hotel room and we're gonna play some games. I think first up is what, Taboo, guys?
Yeah, let's do
pick
it.
teams.
Okay, it's not fair if both of y'all are on the same team.
I just want y'all to see how bad we whoop y'all's ass real quick, and then we can.
Actually,
So this is a restaurant where you see big boobies.
Hooters.
you got real comfortable. I did.
Instead of Flashback Friday, this is.
Throwback
They're
Thursday.
cheating.
Oh,
They're cheating.
I'm gonna
can't
give you a
cheat.
blank sandwich.
Hey,
Knuckle sandwich.
Yep.
y'all are cheating.
We're winning.
Really?
Okay.
YouTube, they're cheating.
Oh, this is the kind of cake you get at a fair.
Funnel cake.
Yeah.
Oh, son of a bitch. Are you looking great?
Oh,
I'm
you
dyslexic
are.
right now.
You are
Beautiful.
tatted.
Oh, you said
No.
same word, but
No,
in a
it's
different
not
sentence.
different.
I
It's
mean,
not
a verb.
that.
I mean,
It's not that.
it's basically the same.
Oh my God. If a girl's really eager for a man, she is.
You said
Horny?
eager. You.
Oh, I did. say
Yes, good job,
What's the
Bree.
word?
Good
I'm
job.
thirsty. It's already done. What
Oh,
is it?
piss.
Oh, you were talking about time, you bastard! How many did they get past the time?
We got 4. Let's see how many
Hey, I was
y'all
all
get.
into the game.
Reading.
So Katie's reading your guessing.
Here we go.
Ready?
Why'd you do that? You were like,
She wants to kiss you so badly. Ready, go.
Ready?
Go.
Oh. Oh man, I just want to
Punch.
you. No,
Fuck you.
no. I just another like
Mess you
thing
up.
you could say to like just fuck you,
Damn, that one's hard.
or just like hit
Mess you up.
someone. No, I just want to
Kick you.
you.
Wow, this
Nail
is a long
you.
time for
Hustle
one.
you. Punch you.
I just-
Wrestle you.
No.
You should probably skip.
Katie. That
Okay,
was a
skip. It was pound.
Oh, wow.
Oh, this is what all the ladies used to do when they would get on their knees and then dance like that.
You can't do that.
Work.
Oh,
Poor.
you said legs used to.
They still do.
Back in I thought you were saying like back in the 1920s.
Oh, another word
Time's
for.
up. Oh. Katie's bad at this. I don't think she's good.
Okay, my friends just left. I have this bed, TV, and this book that I'm currently reading. It's called Nocticadia. So I'm going to watch that, but you can find all of my birthday pics on my Instagram at @TheBeccaFlores. So be sure to check those out. Good night, and I will see you tomorrow. Good morning. It is my birthday. I'm gonna go downstairs to the restaurant, get breakfast, and then pack up and go to my best friend's class. She's a fitness instructor here at Grit ATX, so we're gonna do that. Get a birthday workout in, and then see where the day takes us. This is what we're working with. Wearing slippers. Out for repeating. Okay, I'm running late, feeling great, but this is my outfit for dinner tonight. We're going to Guest House in Austin, my favorite restaurant. I went here last year for my birthday and loved it. This is the look. The dress is from Princess Polly, necklace is from my sister, earrings are from J. Crew, and I'm excited to eat. Their mojitos are so good.